Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Montgomery, southeastern Miami, western Clark, until 7 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Northridge, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Vandalia, Huber Heights, Pitt City, New Carlisle. In addition, Union, Dayton International Airport, Thornton, Ginghamsburg, Grant, Medway, Park Lane, and Crystal Lakes are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 26 and 42, Interstate 75 between mile markers 54 and 74. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the